Today I'm going to show you how to verify domain ownership in GoDaddy using the DNS TXT record method. This is one of the fastest and the most reliable ways to prove that you control a domain when a third-party service like Google, Facebook, or another platform asks you to complete verification. It's a simple process, but you want to follow each step carefully so the record is added correctly and the verification goes through without delays. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more clear, step-by-step tech guides. First, you need to get your verification record from the service that's asking you to verify your domain. So go to that platform and look for the domain verification page. They will give you a unique text value, and this is the exact code you need to place into your GoDaddy DNS settings. Sometimes it will look like a random string of characters, and other times it may begin with something like ms equals ms followed by numbers and letters. Copy that value exactly as it appears, because even one small typo can stop the verification from working. Once you have copied the verification text, open a new tab and log in to your GoDaddy account. After you sign in, go to your My Products area. This is where all of your domains are listed. Scroll down until you find a domain you want to verify. Next to that domain, click on DNS or Manage DNS. This will open the DNS management page for that specific domain, which is where you'll add the TXT record. Now, look for the option that says Add New Record and click it. GoDaddy will show you several fields to fill in, and this is where the details matter. In the Type section, open the drop-down and select TE. This tells GoDaddy that you're adding a text record, which is the standard format for domain ownership verification. In the Name or Host field, type the @ symbol, which is @. This connects the record directly to your root domain, so the verification applies to the main domain itself. If the third-party service gives you different instructions, always follow those instructions first, but in most cases, @ is the correct value for root domain verification. Next, paste the verification code into the value field. Make sure you paste the exact text string you copied from the third-party service. Do not add extra spaces, quotation marks, or extra characters. The record needs to match exactly for the verification to be accepted. For TTL, leave it on the default setting unless you have a reason to change it. If GoDaddy gives you the option to choose a minimum TTL, that can sometimes help the DNS update faster, but default is usually fine for most users. Once everything looks correct, click Save to add the record. After saving, the TXT record may take a little time to spread across the internet. In some cases, verification happens very quickly, but in other cases, it can take a few minutes or longer. If the third-party service doesn't verify immediately, wait a bit and try again. You can go back to the verification page and click Verify once the DNS changes have had time to update. If everything was entered correctly, the service should confirm that your domain ownership has been verified, and that's it. You've successfully verified your domain in GoDaddy using the DNS TXT record method. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That really helps support the content and lets me make more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.